So here is the best calendar scheduling tool to use right now. In this video, I'll be using Reclaim AI. So before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Reclaim for free. So as you can see, we're currently in the website. Let's click on Pricing on the top to view all their plans available. They offer Light, Starter, Business, and Enterprise. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans. So you can check out their features and choose whichever plan you prefer. Now, let's go ahead and click on Login on the top. You can also book a demo or click on Get Started. But if you don't have an account, just click on my link in the description. So after login, I will select Continue with Google from here. And as you can see, I'm now logged in and in the main dashboard. We're currently in the Planner section. And here, you can view a calendar that you can customize. On the top right, you can enable this preview mode and change the mode to preview. Then if you click on this gear icon, you can choose to view as you or as others, and also days in view, then start of the week, date format, and time format from all of these options available. After that, we have this section where we can see the connected calendars, or also you can search for calendars to connect. And here on the main screen, you can view the different activities listed on your calendar and schedule. You can click and drag each activity and change the timing according to your preference. So let's say I want to change the time of breakfast. Here, if I drag it around, you will notice that the time listed here will change. Same way, you can make changes to all the activities on your calendar. Now, let's go over to the top right corner and click on this Create section. If you click on Create, you will see options for events, tasks, agents. So let's say I want to create an event. You can start off by putting in a name for your event. As an example, I will type in something like birthday party. Then you have this time section where you can set the date and time for this activity. You can select a start time and also an end time. So go through the options and choose whichever one that you prefer. Then you can also choose to repeat this activity. So I'll select it as does not repeat. Then you have the option for attendees. You can add emails of attendees who will be joining you. You can also set the calendar from these options. If you want, you can add a new calendar. On the video conferencing section, you have the option to add Google Meet or Zoom. You can also add a description, location, and even a conference room. Then just click on Create Event and it will be added onto the calendar just like this. And as you can see, it's added on the exact slot we've set. Same way, if you click on Create and select Task, you can add a task into your calendar. Here, you need to start off by putting in the name for your task. So let's go with Workout for this one. Then, select the start date. After that, you need to set a due date because it's a task, and also, you can set the duration for this task. If you want, you can also put in notes. Also, right beside the name, you can click on this icon in order to set the priority for this task. So let's say critical. Now, let's click on Create. After that, the task will be added onto Reclaim Task. You will not be able to view it on the calendar like other activities. For that, you need to go over to the right side panel. Here, you have different sections like Chat, where you can choose to enable Reclaim Chat, which is their AI-powered chatbot. You can use it for different activities. After that, we have this Issues section, where you can view all your issues listed, if any. Then, we have this Tasks section. This is where you can find all your tasks. You can also use the search bar to search for any specific tasks if you want. You also have the sort options you can use to sort through different tasks. You can view different sections like Now, where you can view all the tasks you need to get done right now. Then we have At Risk and the option to connect your first integration. So you can connect different tools to Reclaim. So if you go over to Reclaim Tasks on the bottom, you can view the tasks that we've added just now. You can also click on Add on the top in order to add more tasks to the list. So after tasks, we have agents on the right panel. Here, you can see the priority levels and all the projects or events listed under each priority levels just like this. And after Planner, we have the Meeting section. You can go through different categories like agenda, recurring, and one-off. All the meetings will be listed here. Then we have scheduling and insights. This is where you can view all your reclaim stats and also your reclaim recap to view how you've performed and where you've spent your time. And that's it. This is the best calendar scheduling tool to use right now.